Speaker high volume. What's crosstalk noise? Crosstalk noise is an unwanted phenomenon in integrated circuits where signals traveling through adjacent conductors interfere with each other, leading to signal degradation and potential errors. Straight ruler. The width spacing connection. Here's the key to combating crosstalk noise: the width and spacing of conductors. When the width of a conductor is increased, the spacing between two neighboring conductors automatically increases. And this, my friends, is where the magic happens. Maximizing performance. By understanding the relationship between conductor width and spacing, we can optimize the design of integrated circuits for maximum performance and minimal crosstalk noise. It's all about striking the perfect balance. The crosstalk noise solution: wider conductors with increased spacing result in reduced cross-coupling capacitance between them. This decrease in capacitance means less crosstalk noise, as the interference between signals is minimized.